I'll be running some experiments on electromechanical energy conversion topics, and I'll be talking about transformers and motors, electric motors. The first step before converting electrical energy to mechanical energy is to understand that current will create a magnetic field surrounding the conductor. So DC motors take advantage of this because whenever we experience two poles that are the same polarity, then they will repel each other. So fixing the position of a permanent magnet, that a north pole it's facing the north pole of the loop of wire, that will create a force that wants to repel each other. So, and fixing, let's say, fixing the loop in a axis and allowing it to rotate freely, then can generate a continuous repelling. And this will be demonstrated in an example with a homemade motor. This is a simple demonstration, but in a more complex system, this principle is used to generate a good amount of force. And for example, to lift this drone that I 3D printed. Now here's the opposite, where we have a changing magnetic field in a loop that will induce voltage. So this is done by just storing some energy in a rubber band, releasing it, and let the motor spin. Now we take advantage of the fact that a changing magnetic field will create voltage across a loop near that magnetic field, and if we have two coils, we can also couple the inductance of those two coils, and they will interact with each other in a resulting voltage increase or voltage drop. Now, devices that do this are known as transformers, and they can generate higher voltage than the source or lower voltage than the source. And step-up voltage will have less turns in the first coil and then more turns in the second coil, and this will allow us to have perhaps a great voltage than the source. And then step down transformers is because we have more turns in the first coil and then less turns in the second coil, and this can result in a voltage drop. So the applications for them are whether it's that we're trying to just change something because we just want to charge our phone, therefore we don't need 120, we need 5 volts. That can be accomplished very easily. We can also take advantage of high voltage in a step-up transformer to create a spark to ignite something, let's say a rocket. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you.